hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today I am going to do my summer date night look. A peach, smoky eye, and coral lips. First things first, I pin my hair back. Then I'm going to go in with this SmashBox Photo Finish Primer. Massage that into the forehead, the cheeks, and the smile lines. Please ignore my friend I have growing beside my nose. We're going to cover him up with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in shade 110. Nope, sorry, shade Porcelain. Dotting that on her face and then taking a Real Technique sponge and blending that in. Alright, now we're going to go in with the Revlon Color Stay Concealer in the shade Fair. Dot that under our eyes and on my friend beside my nose. Alright, I'm going to take the Mercier translucent setting powder and just set my face and under eye area. Alright, now that the face is set, I'm going to go in with my dual-ended EcoTools brush and my Tarte, oh nope, never mind. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline DefineABrown pencil and fill in my eyebrows. And that is in the shade Light Brown. Next, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Mattes palette in the shade Cork, and I am just going to go over my eyebrows with that powder to deepen them up a little bit. Alright, now I am going in with my spoolie and just combing in and blending out those eyebrows. Now I'm going in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay bronzer in Park Avenue Princess and my dual-ended EcoTools brush, and I'm just carving out my nose. Next, I'm picking up my E.L.F powder brush and bronzing the rest of my face. Now I'm taking the Clinique blush in Sunset Glow with my Luxie highlighter brush, and I'm just going to blush my cheeks. Now finally I'm going in with that Maybelline Master Blush Palette, and I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and just a little bit on top of my cheeks. Now I'm going to take that Real Technique sponge and I'm just going to blend everything together. Alright guys, now I'm going to take my Morphe 35W palette and we get to start our eye look now. I'm taking the second color in the palette just as a blending base and I'm going to work that into the crease area. Now I'm going to take the second shade in the third row. It's a beautiful peach color, and I'm going to start working that into my crease. Right now I'm going to take the shade right next to it. It's a deeper, more pinky color, and begin blending that on top of it. I'm very disappointed it's not showing up as peachy as it is looking at me. But they're very, very pretty colors. Now I'm taking the third shade in on the third row. It's a light, shimmery, peachy coral color, and I'm patting that on my eyelid. Okay, picking up that second color in the third row again, I'm just going to work that into my crease to make sure everything is blended together. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild black eye kohl, and I'm going to begin tight lining my upper lash line and adding that to my lower waterline as well. Then I decided it needed a little something extra, so I decided to add I'm going to draw a thicker bar with the eyeliner on my top lid. And also add a little flick at the end. Now I'm going to take that second shade in the third row with my E.L.F flat definer brush and work out that black in the waterline with that peach shade. And I'm sorry, I'm having a few difficulties with the green screen today. Now I'm going to take the SmashBox Full Exposure Mascara and just apply the mascara to my lashes. Alright, and our final step today, I'm taking the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Venizia. And I'm going to just start off by applying that to the inside of my lower lip. Now again, my lips are crooked and I apologize. I try to overline as much as I can without it feeling weird. And that is the finished look. Take your hair down and go out and have a fun night at the carnival or the boardwalk, wherever you are going on your summer date night. Thanks for watching. Bye.